Having two blogs on one WordPress website is possible and is useful if you want to separate content by topics, audiences, or purposes. Here are two main ways to do it. Use categories with custom menus. Create categories. Go to Posts, Categories, and create two main categories. Assign posts to categories. When writing a post, select the appropriate category. Create category pages. WordPress automatically creates archive pages for each category. For example, add to menu. Go to Appearance, Menus, and add each category to your navigation. You now have two separate blog feeds. Use a plugin or multi-site. If you need completely different blog layouts, orders, or post types, use a plugin. Plugins like Multiple Blog or WP Show Posts can display separate blog lists. Enable WordPress multi-site. For truly independent blogs, enable multi-site to manage multiple WordPress sites under one installation. Each blog will have its own admin area, themes, and content.